So part of that strategy is understanding the product mix. So we've got a bunch of products on the wall here, and the idea is not to be overwhelmed with the SKU mix, but really to show that it represents a complete palette of options. So based on the design of the space, let's pick the right product. So for example, our ultra thin line product is meant to solve a problem, to say if we have limited depth, this is going to be the right solution to achieve audio in a space that normally would be unable. The other idea, of course, is whether it's a small speaker or an invisible speaker, getting enough bass into the room can be challenging. So we've developed a line of in-wall and in-ceiling subwoofers in our BPS bandpass sub line. This year we're showing off the BPS6 TL, so the thin line version of the woofer, historically used with either the Architectural Series bandpass connector or the Visual Performance bandpass connector. But this year, excited to show what we call our BPS TL slot connector. And the idea is that this is TrueFig technology and intended to give us a nice, clean, minimal slot connector for bass that can be plastered, mud, or finished right into the finish of the wall. So pretty nice option to add to the aesthetics.